Realtor Kelsey Mansoray with EXP Realty. We're at a lovely home here in Bartlett, and I just wanted to give you a brief tour so you can get an idea of what a house priced at $299,000, what that looks like, and what you can find or expect to find here in Bartlett, Tennessee. So let's take a look. Thank you for joining me on the tour today. I hope you enjoyed learning more about this house and the area. If you have any questions, reach out to me at 901-451-8089. Thank you, and you have a great day.